One of my friend is from America. Is it correct? No, there is a mistake. Let's find it out. Hi everyone, this is Kriti. In today's video, I'm going to talk about an expression one of. अब one of को हम सेंटेंस में कैसे यूज करें ताकि हमारे सेंटेंस में कोई ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक ना हो. तो रूल नंबर 1 सेज दैट वन ऑफ वही यूज होता है जहां पर नाउन काउंटेबल हो, राइट. अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स लाइक इंफॉर्मेशन, एडवाइस, वाटर, राइस, इनके साथ हम वन ऑफ वर्ड नहीं यूज करते. सेकेंड रूल सेज जब हम वन ऑफ यूज करते हैं तो जो हमारा नाउन होता है दैट हैज टू बी प्लूरल. वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स, one of my books, one of the board directors. The noun or the pronoun has to be plural. Now the third thing is the verb. Now the verb has to be singular here. One of my friends is in Japan. So I used is, not are here, because the verb has to be singular. So remember the formation of the sentence. First of all, there is one of, the expression one of. Next we have the noun, and that noun has to be plural. And then we have the verb. Verb has to be singular. So hope this is clear. Now let's see some examples so that we can have a better understanding of the expression one of. Okay, first sentence. One of the board members were absent. Now, what is the mistake in the sentence? The mistake is that the verb has to be singular. So, the correct sentence will be one of the board members was absent. Second, one of the doctors is on call. Now, doctors is a noun and it is plural. So, the condition is fulfilled. Next is about the verb. Verb is singular here. So again, the condition is fulfilled. So this is a correct sentence. One of the doctors is on call. Moving to sentence number 3. One of my shorts are torn. Now, one of my shorts. Shorts is a noun and it is plural. So this is correct. But we have written are here. So are should not come. It should be replaced with is. Why? Because the verb has to be singular. Next sentence. One of the chair is broken. One of the chair. Chair is a noun and it has to be plural. So we will write one of the chairs is broken. The auxiliary verb is singular here. So it is correct. One of my book is missing. No, one of my books is missing. One of my friend is ill. No, one of my friends is ill. One of my friends is from Italy. Now this is a correct sentence because friends is a noun here and noun is plural. Is an auxiliary verb and that is singular. So the sentence is correct. One of my friends is from Italy. Usually people make this mistake when they see that friends, S is over there, so it's a plural. So instead of writing is, they write are, and that's wrong. One of the men shout. Now in this, men is correct because it is the plural form of noun man. But shout is incorrect because shout is plural verb. So it should be one of the men shouts. Moving to next example. One of the teachers sings. Now one of the teachers. Teacher is a noun. So we have said teachers here. So which is correct. Now one of the teachers sings. Sings is also correct because it is the singular form of verb. So hope you are clear with the expression one of. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.